Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a stunning outdoor pre-wedding portrait with perfect lighting and candid moments? On today's video, we will show you the BTS, the behind the scene of how we shot this amazing pre-wedding portraits and how we were able to capture these candid moments. Hello guys, this is Wispro Media. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to our channel, you are welcome. Subscribe to follow us on photography BTS, photography tutorials and wedding vlogs. On today's video, we talk about how we shot Isent and Judith's pre-wedding session, where we captured their love and excitement before their big day. We'll be exploring two stunning outfits in this beautiful outdoor setting. Let's take a moment to appreciate this breathtaking location, Treasure Suites Hotel in Abuja. The first thing I do when I come to a hotel or any garden for a photo shoot is I take my time, look for spaces, find locations, find corners in the hotel where I can position my couples and take a fine, stunning portraits. Now let's dive into our first outfit. Our bride is wearing an Edo traditional bridal attire, which features red fitted gown, coral beads, and unique hairstyling, beautified with beads, and she's holding a horse tail. The groom wears a white cloth t-shirt with designs, coral beads for neck and bracelets. The camera I used for the shoot is Nikon D750. The lens I used is 85mm 1.4 Sigma art. Then I equally used 35mm 1.4 Sigma for wide angle. Then the light I used for the shoot is steady light. I only use steady light and natural light for this very pre-wedding. So the light I used is Godox ML60BI, the steady light, and the small one Yogno YN216. That's the two lights I used. Yeah, sure. No, stay. I will tell you when to leave. Sorry. You already know that when I want to do a portrait shoot or any shoot at all, I first test run my camera and the lights. So I have to check if the ISO, the speed and the aperture is cool with what I want to achieve, and then take my first shot, take a look at it, and then know if I should modify my ISO and then get a perfect shoot. Perfect. I love this. Yeah, move. Okay, look at me. Yeah, beautiful. Can you look at her? Just look at her. Beautiful. I love that smile. Feel like that. Excuse. Yeah. God, when? Really again? Okay, your fist. Sorry. I'm not good. Can you guys look at each other? Smile. Now kiss on the forehead. Bring your head close. Bring your head. Close your eyes. This is beautiful. You can't tell me nothing. Thank you. We go up. For styling and posing of this photo session, I have my friend Bukat Finesse. He's getting inspiration and directing the couples on how to pose. The groom's sister is equally getting inspiration and telling us. So this is like a teamwork. Everybody is bringing their ideas and we are working together to get a perfect image. Cool. So everybody here is just in to get a perfect, stunning portrait for the couple. Come up. At this point, the bride is sweating. This place we are taking this shoot, the AC is not very active this side, so I have to go back to the room. Can your bride ever? Can your couple ever? I'm good. Thank you. This is artistic. It's not regular fine pictures you are looking at. So we are done with the first outfit and the bride is changing her hairstyle. This is the stylist here, Bukas Finesse, and we are scouting for the second location for the shoot. On our second outfit, the bride is wearing a black lace with a black gele. She's wearing a bead to complement the outfit and a black purse, while the groom is wearing a black senator and a black abada with a white stylish design in front of it to complement it. So this is amazing outfit. I like it. The groom is equally wearing a black cap. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Perfect. Yeah. Mine, I'm playing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or anything you don't understand, feel free to drop your question on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video for more people who need this content to see it. Thank you.